guys, it's me, at 3 years old, Shanang Libiki. Happy Monday, everyone! After akong gisingin ni mami ko, guys, we take a bath na. Siyempre naman, guys, I'm going to school. Let's dance muna, guys! We start our Monday, guys, with full energy. After akong bihisan ni mami ko, guys, we eat breakfast na. Our ulam for today's, guys, is with ampalaya leaves. How about you guys? Nagawa ba kayo ng ganyan? Look up me guys. Kumakain ako ng ganyan. After mag-eat guys, syempre, we need to brush the teeth. Even the tongue guys, we need to brush. Mommy, allow me guys na mag-brush ng teeth ko. After mag-brush, guys, I need to prepare. We put sunscreen, guys. Because, guys, the weather is hot. Lalo na, guys, yung oras ng pasok ko. Use Belo sunscreen. And we put lotion, guys. So, we cannot kursing, guys. Ang gamit ko pala, guys, yung lotion. After that, guys, pinuutan na ako ni mami ko, guys, ng medyas. Nanood niya na din, guys, yung uniform ko. Ngayon naman, guys, ipitan na ako ni mami ko, guys. Naglagay pala si mami ko, guys, ng serum sa hair ko, guys, para mabango yung hair ko, guys. After yan, guys, iipitan na ako ni mami ko. Pinagamitan pala ako ng mami ko ng hair gel. Kasi madami akong baby hair, guys. Look up, guys, sobrang clean. Tingnan yung hair ko. Pag naglalagay si mami ko, guys, ng ganyan. Time check tayo, guys. Baka late na kasi tayo. I have tutor pa kasi, guys, ng 8:30. After akong bihisan ni mami ko, guys, nag-lotion at medyas na din siya. Tapos, guys, pinabanguhan ako ni mami ko, guys. Shoes at ID na din ako, guys. Pero, may forgot na naman si mami ko, guys. May ribbon. Tinignan ko na din pala, guys, yung baon ko sa school. And it's time na din, guys, para pumunta sa tutor ko. Bye, Lolo Foggy. Makabait ka dyan, ha? On the way na kami, guys, and my tutor. I take a selfie, guys, sa phone ni mami, guys. After 20 minutes, we hear na at tutor. Here are my tickets. Hinintad lang ako ni mami ko, guys. Tapos umalis na siya. Kasi pupunta siya kay Mama Maria. Siya kasi magbabantay, guys, sa presto. Kasi magpapa-inject si Mama. After magpa-inject ni Mama, guys, nandun na ako ni mami ko, guys. Because it's time na to go to school. Before we go, guys, I drink Yakult muna. I love golden talaga. We're here na, guys. At busy brain. We park saglit, guys. Then I go na at my room. Lakad-lakad lang na konti, guys. Tapos we here na. Wala pa pala yung girls ko na friend ko, guys. Puro mga boys. Yung mga kasamang ko pa lang dito, guys. At si Katlo and Rapa and Nob, guys. Tapos na pala yung klase ko, guys. May go home na. Nakatulog pa nga ako, guys, sa biyahe namin. Tapos nilagay na lang ako ni mami ko, guys, duyan, para matuloy ko yung sleep ko. Pagkagising ko, guys, may balance na si mami ko. I got 4K followers na pala, guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Sobrang happy ko, guys, kasi sobrang many na natin. O siya, guys, hanggang here na lang. Salamat sa papanood. Don't forget to follow and share my video, guys. Mahal ko kayo. Nalpasen.